Have you ever noticed how everyone's talking about AI right now, but when you actually try to learn it, it's just chaos? Random tutorials, 10-hour courses, people explaining things you'll never actually use. So you end up learning a lot, but not really going anywhere. You're spinning your wheels. So instead of guessing what to learn, I'm going to show you 5 free AI courses from Google that actually make this simple. No fluff, no overwhelm, and honestly, if you just finish one of these, you're already ahead of most people trying to get into AI. Real quick, if you're new here, I'm Jeff Hershey. I build tools and AI tools that help businesses automate things like follow-ups, customer reviews, and a lot of the manual stuff that usually gets ignored. So I'm not coming at this from theory. This is stuff we actually use in a real business every day. And what I've learned is most people don't need more information. They just need the right starting point. So let's get straight into it. Course number 1 is Google AI Essentials. If you're starting from zero, this is where you should go. This course is basically designed for people who feel like AI is confusing or a little overwhelming. And what it does really well is simplify everything. It covers what AI actually is without the technical headache, how tools like ChatGPT work, and most importantly, how to actually use AI in day-to-day tasks. Now, here's the key shift. This course is not about learning how to build AI. It's about learning how to use AI to get results. And that's where most people get it wrong. They think they need to learn coding, machine learning, all this advanced stuff. Look, you don't. You just need to know how to use the tools properly. This course fixes that fast. Course number 2, generative AI for everyone. Now, once you've got the basics, this is where things start getting practical. This one is all about actually using AI, creating things with it, and saving time with it. So instead of just understanding what AI is, you start applying it. Think writing content faster, automating repetitive tasks, improving workflows. And this is where a lot of people have that click moment where they realize, oh, this isn't just something to learn. This is something I can actually use. Like even in our own business, we use AI to handle things like responding to customer reviews, sending follow-ups, and removing all the manual back and forth. So instead of things slipping through the cracks, it just gets handled automatically. That's the kind of thinking this course helps you build. Quick pause for a second. I'm curious, what are you actually trying to use AI for right now? Is it making money, automating your work, starting some kind of agency, or just learning a new skill? Drop it in the comments down below. We read through all of them and it actually helps us better tailor these videos way better for you. Also, I put together a really simple AI playbook that shows you how to go from learning this stuff to actually using it in the real world. No fluff, just step by step. If you want it, just comment playbook and I'll send you the link. Course number 3, prompt engineering. This is probably the highest ROI skill on this entire list. And here's the truth most people don't realize yet. AI is only as good as what you tell it. That's it. So you can give 2 people the exact same tool. One gets average results, the other gets absolutely insane results. The difference, how they prompt. Most people type something like, write me a caption. And yeah, it works, but it's basic. This course teaches you how to structure prompts properly, guide the AI, and get way better outputs instantly. And once you understand this, everything changes. You can create better content, automate tasks properly, even build small systems without coding. This is the skill that unlocks everything else. Course number 4, AI for business leaders. This one sounds a little corporate, but stick with me. This is where things start to click. And no, you don't need to be some CEO to benefit from this. What this course really teaches you is how to think with AI, not just use it. It covers things like where businesses are actually using AI today, how AI creates leverage and how to spot opportunities. This is a big shift because up until now, you're learning, how do I use AI? This course flips it to, where can AI make me money or save me time? That's how people start agencies, automations, tools. It's literally just how to shift from problem to AI to solution to then scale. That's it. And once you start seeing things that way, you can't unsee it. Course number 5, Introduction to Generative AI, the Google Cloud. All right, last one. This is where you get a bit of an edge. Now, don't worry, this isn't some super technical, overwhelming course, but it does go one layer deeper. You'll start to understand how AI models actually work, what's happening behind the scenes, how tools are really built, and here's why that matters. Most people stay at the user level. They just use tools, but when you understand even a little bit of how this stuff works, you start thinking differently. You go from, what tool should I use, to, could I build something like this? And that's where real leverage is. Now, here's the part most people mess up. They watch a video like this and they think that's useful. Maybe even save it, like it, comment, then they do absolutely nothing. And it's not because they're lazy, it's because there's too many options. So let me make this really simple for you. If you do just this, pick one course, finish it in the next 7 days, apply one thing from it, that's it. You don't need all 5. You don't need to master AI. You just need forward momentum, because once you actually use this stuff once, that's when it clicks. And this is exactly why I put together that playbook I mentioned earlier, because learning AI is one thing, but knowing what to do after that, that's where most people get stuck. So inside the playbook, I break it down super simply. What to focus on first, how to apply it immediately, and how to turn it into something useful, whether that's making money, automating work, or building something of your own. So if you want that, just comment playbook and my team will send you the link. Also, if you're serious about this, like you don't want to just learn AI, but actually build something with it, then you should check out the community that we've built at agencystarterkit.com. That's where we go deeper into real workflows, real use cases, and how people are actually using AI to grow businesses. And it's not just theory, it's people testing, building, and sharing what's working. And honestly, one of the easiest ways to understand AI is to just see it working in a real scenario. That's literally why we built Reviewly.ai. It takes something simple but highly important, like getting customer reviews, and automates the whole thing, sending requests, follow-ups, even helping draft responses. So instead of learning AI in theory, you're seeing it solve an actual business problem, how to get better 5-star reviews. And that's when things really start to click. So quick recap, the 5 courses: Google AI Essentials, Generative AI for Everyone, Prompt Engineering, AI for Business Leaders, Intro to Generative AI. Don't overthink it. Pick one, finish it, apply it. That's the game. And again, if you want the playbook, comment playbook down below. And if you want to actually build something with AI, join my Skool community at agencystarterkit.com. All right, that's it for this one. No fluff, just what works. And I'll see you in the next video.